Well, my journey begins. My appointment lasted 40 minutes longer than I expected. So I'm going to get at the beach just about at low tide. The Mumbles man, I told him I was going to run late, so I told him to meet me down there. So he's already at the Land of Nada. So I'll get a report when I get there. What's going on in the Land of Nada? I don't expect to, I don't have any idea what to expect. Some of my buddies, of course, have been going, and it's been fair to nothing, to junk, to crap, to a few gold tickets showing up. But you know how it goes. We'll see how it goes for us today. 18 minutes, we'll be there. Well, here we are. The screaming jets, the boogie boards, and the hollering kids. The Land of Nada. It's windy too, boy, but it's only windy between these motels. But it looks like there's a good breeze blowing. I know my eyes are still dilated. It's bright out here, boy, and I got sunglasses on. It'll get better soon, though. Looks like the beach is still kind of steep, like the NASCAR track. 45 degrees, looks like. At least 40. Looks a little rough to get into the swamp right now. We have to work along the edge here, fight these waves. Well, I've been about a block. I had no targets yet. A little bit of iron. I haven't seen anybody yet, but I know there's some blues out here somewhere. I did see the Mumbles man's truck, so I know he's here somewhere. Stand by. Well, old Nada's being Nada today. I've been 4 blocks now, no targets. But I haven't seen anybody either, other than the depositor. There's lots of them.
Fall right through.
The Mumbles man's giving me a bad report. He's got a penny, a quarter, a dime, and some bling, he said.
That's it. You would think there would be a whole lot more stuff with all these people. I've tried out there in the water.
I got a pretty good cut down this way. There's a Mumbles man. I'm going to go about a block further, and I'm going to turn around and go to hell home. Stand by. Well, we got a second 83. This is 84. The second one was the first one was a piece of copper. Little teeny thing. This is a real penny. Oh, look at that. First coin. A real penny. I'm picking up on a hot goose now. A solid hot goose. A sort of a shaky 45. 44 now. But it sounds better. We got us a yellow ticket. Looks yellow, feels yellow. I'm pretty sure. It's funny, I never hit any targets going the other way. I turned around, I dug a gold ring, I dug 4 dimes, I just dug a another nickel, a nickel, 2 more pennies. Hard to figure this place. Stamp, oops, what we got? A shaky 71.
There it is.
Stand by.
4 pennies, 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 1 nickel.
A shaky 71 was
One
a
earring.
beat up Lincoln.
Some doodad crap.
A Zinco,
All coming
maybe.
back. I found this and that going down. I had the Mumbles big dime. One never knows but the land of Nada. I'll have the Mumbles man's nut in a few minutes. Stand by. Well, there it is. 4 pennies, 2 quarters, 3 dimes, 1 nickel, 1 earring, a zipper, some doodad crap. All coming back. I found this and that going down. I had the Mumbles big dime. One never knows but the land of Nada. I'll have the Mumbles man's nut in a few minutes. Stand by.